Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Laguna Beach, California. We're at the top of the world trail hike. Check this out. Something new. We haven't done a hike in a while. But new year, new me. So let's check it out. If it's your first time here, please like, please subscribe, please comment, all that fun stuff. And let's check out the top of the world trail. Trail has stairs or incline. I am preferring to use these stairs right now, but you can also use just the incline, or I guess if you're on a bike. Right away you have views, Catalina, and the ocean. I'm not sure how long this hike is. I'm guessing a lot longer for me than them. Top of the first hill. Ooh, hello. One. I apologize now for the heavy breathing. Again, new year, new me. Goal is to get more active, lose some weight this year. Top of the world trail. This is a private community. Again, this hike does start a private community, so you have to park outside of the community and walk in. I will put a map in the description to let you know where we parked. Also, this is very steep. It's gonna suck getting out of here, but oh well. Again, these views are amazing. See, it goes all the way over there. There's people on bikes and walking. So that's the hill I just did. I'll have to do that to get out of here. There's some more of these beautiful views. It's currently in the 60s right now. It's gorgeous out here. Beginning in January. And I have to walk that hill to get out of here. If you're watching this, I didn't die. God, I hope you're watching this. Dogs are allowed, but they must be on leashes. Also fun to know. Mountain lion country. Here's the park hours, 7 a.m. to sunset. So it's Laguna Beach all around us. The city of Laguna Beach. Laguna High School is that way. That, of course, is the Pacific Ocean. Catalina out there. Now let's tackle this hill. Take a little break. Some beautiful views the whole way. There's a hill I have to conquer to get back. Helicopter water refueling station. Climbing, climbing. Just keep climbing. Alright, made it to the top of that little hill. Now I come back down. Not sure where this ends up. So throughout the trail there's different offshoots and they tell you the name of the trail, the difficulty. A lot of these are, I've been noticing mountain bikers take these trails. So use them with caution. The trail we took, it's a mile in and a mile out, it's a 2 mile round trip. You could actually just do 1 mile straight through if you have someone pick you up on the other side, but why? Alright, we're gonna keep exploring. Keep exploring. Alright, made it to the end. 1 mile, now it's 1 mile back. It's a nice hike. More of a walk than a hike, but it's nice. I dig it. And going off-road a little bit. The entire 1 mile is all paved. And those little dirt spurs that go off. See where this guy goes. There it is. Hell, I've been thinking about for the last 50 minutes. Let's see if I could do it. I did it. I lived. Stopped a couple times, but oh well. I lied. This isn't a walk. It's a hike. Now we're back to our stair hills. Wish me luck. 2 sets of stairs. Accomplished. Almost out of here. I didn't die. Alright, that has been Top of the World Trail in Laguna Beach. It's just over 2 miles. Took us a little over an hour to do it, depending on your level of fitness, I guess. They also do bike trails. But yeah, thanks for watching. Again, if you're new here, please like, please subscribe, please comment. I'm going to go die off screen. And we'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Bye, guys.